I'm Siobhan Sweet and welcome back to my channel. So today I am working with this Biscoff. If you haven't tried it, you've got to try this. I am addicted to it. This is a really simple recipe, Rocky Road. Anybody can do it. If you can't cook, this is just for you. So we're going to add the Biscoff into the chocolate and we're going to pop that into the microwave. Now we're going to melt that for 30 seconds, take it out, stir, 30 seconds, take it out. We don't want it getting too hot, just until it's melted. Then I'm just going to melt the butter in the microwave. So we're just going to fold in the butter, just do it slowly, bit by bit. So we're just going to add the biscuits now into the mix. Just make sure they're well coated. And the marshmallows go in. So I've just lined an 8-inch square tin. You can put it in anything you want to. I'm just going to press that into the bottom. So how easy was that? The hardest bit of this now is to wait the 2 hours where it's in the fridge setting. So I think there's only one thing for it, Rolo. We're waiting 2 hours, what should we do? Should we go for a walk? Okay, see you in a bit. Bye. Come on, boy. If you like Biscoff, you're going to love these. Absolutely amazing. I've got loads more recipes, so have a look. Thanks very much for joining me. Thumbs up if you like it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.